I wanted to know what, this is a very different conversation. You're a different type of guest that I would normally have on the show. Everything that we're usually doing is about commercialization. And so when I have this part of the conversation, I'm never thinking of it as like, let's just really leave all like the purpose and the real humanity of it behind and kind of think about the business sense. But I also think that there can be both, that can be integrated. So when you think of philanthropy and you think of giving and the empathy, how do you, from your perspective, how do you think that really affects commercialization, or does it? When you've got innovators and leaders that are going into the marketplace and they're trying to change, leave their fingerprint on healthcare and transform it in some way, how do things like what you're doing play a role in that?
Right. So, I mean, you touched a little earlier about how healthcare could be a little stodgy.
Yeah.
Still using pagers and fax machines and clipboards. Like, what? Seriously? Yeah. I mean, and so, what I tell people, I said, listen, it just entrepreneurs in healthcare, you can raise all the money that you want, and you can have the coolest technology that's ever been dreamed of. But if you don't allow a doctor and patient, a family member, part of the care team, nurse, if what you're providing, if what you're trying to commercialize, if it's not helping the human connection, if it's not helping with the empathy that, hey, I see you, I feel where you are, I'm going to help you through this. I mean, come on, people, they don't go to the hospital because they're having a great day. And these are people at the worst point of their lives and their families. Yeah. Everybody's scared, and it's just not, they didn't come there for vacation, right?
Right.
A room service. And so, everybody's under stressors. And so, great, got this gizmo and it does this, but if it doesn't really help me solve the human connection of this, then you've really kind of missed it. So, when you go do pitches, right, and you're raising money in VCs, first they want to get to, okay, how do we make money on this? I say flip it. Start the presentation, and in the presentation, this is how we make the world a better place.